Hi kinds, welcome back to our channel Be Kind. This is me Kriti and behind the camera is my husband Shrey. So we are in Brighton. We are spending our last summer long weekend in this beautiful city of Brighton. It's almost 2.5 hours from Toronto, and look at the view behind me. It's a beautiful lakeside view. We have our cottage right there. We have a lakefront facing cottage, so we'll be spending the entire weekend here with our friends, and we'll take you along through the weekend and show you this beautiful side of Canada. So this is close to the Sandbanks Provincial Park. This is the deck right in front of our cottage, and let me show you our cottage and take you through the house tour of it. So guys, this is our cottage. We'll be staying here for 2 days and we have our friends inside. But as soon as you walk in, there's a driveway and a beautiful fireplace. So we're gonna do a little bonfire and do some s'mores in the night when it gets a little chilly. But the view and the house is so beautiful. Let me take you inside. So this is the front patio area and this is our entry. So it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom townhouse and we have the lakefront view. Let me take you upstairs and show you the 2 bedrooms. So we have 2 bedrooms here and a sharing bathroom. So this bedroom has 2 separate beds and this is the other bedroom. It has a little balcony and the view of the lake. So it'll be fun to waking up to this and enjoying the view of the lake. So this is the main living area or living space. Again, there's a beautiful view of the lake. We have a patio, we have some nice couches, and as you can see, our friends already started playing some games. So the best thing about this Airbnb is it's loaded with bunch of games. So if you're coming in a group, you have a lot of fun things to do. So again, the kitchen is quite spacious. It's fully equipped. So we have all of the utensils, we have oil. So we wanted to avoid eating out because it's a small little town and we wanted to experience the cottage life. So all of us got some stuff together. We got some burgers, we got some other snacks along that we can easily cook around in this Airbnb. We are right now making burgers outside. We have a barbecue machine there. So our friends are outside and they're having a nice time.
Hello.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Hello. Hi.
Are we ready with the barbecue?
Almost.
So guys, we are now ready. We are going for hiking and we'll also probably swim in the Presqu'île National Park. I think it's about 10 minutes from here. So let's go and we'll show you more as we go there. We are entering the Presqu'île National Park. There's a permit which is required. We had one in our unit with our Airbnb and the other one we have purchased. Which hike is this? What's it called?
Lighthouse via Newcastle and Pioneer.
Okay, I'll put the details below, but we are starting our hike.
We got good flavors.
I don't like vanilla, but
What did you get, Tanvi?
mango.
That's the best one.
Yeah.
Orange.
Orange pineapple.
Shreya is sharing with me. Ashish.
It's a cappuccino.
Oh,
Very nice.
very nice.
I'm sharing with everyone.
Yeah, juggle there.
They're playing indoor badminton because it's hot outside.
It's too windy.
And listening to old Bollywood. Old ghazals.
This is how 90s and 80s kids enjoy, yeah. As the sun is setting, we're enjoying our cottage.
Yeah, it's so beautiful.
Yeah. And then we'll do a barbecue and sit by the fire
And
in
we're
the
gonna
night.
do s'mores.
Yeah, we'll do.
And
We'll
we're
eat
gonna
some
eat
s'mores.
Maggie.
We'll do everything.
And we're gonna watch movies.
Yeah, we are really enjoying our cottage experience. The first one.
Yeah, of course.
Come to the deck. The sun is setting. The lake is looking really pretty. We should do camping also, Kriti.
Yeah, we should.
Don't just say it on the camera.
And glamping also.
No, only camping.
I
not
want to do
glamping.
both.
No.
We can do both, no?
Cheers. Enjoying.
Last days of summer.
Yeah. And welcoming fall with a fire. Roasting the marshmallows.
Making some s'mores.
So guys, we got up and got ready, and we are just playing some board games, and now we'll be going out to another provincial park today called Sandbanks
And then we'll come home and sleep.
and chill. Yeah. Guys, we came about an hour from our Airbnb into Sandbanks Provincial Park, but sadly we are not able to go inside because there's a permit that's required to be taken in advance, and we can't get the permit today. We have to take it a day prior, so I think it's a busy season, so that's why we can't park our cars anywhere outside. They're issuing tickets. There's a lot of staff that's issuing tickets if you have not taken the permit. So we can't go into the provincial park today. We are figuring out what else to do if there's anything nearby. So if you are planning to come to Sandbanks Provincial Park or any provincial park for that matter, especially in the busy season, to ensure that you have figured out your permit way before. Yeah. So it's a bummer for us today, but let's see what else we can do. We're trying kayaking.
This must be heavy. Drunk and kayaking. Anand and who is going?
I don't know how to swim.
Supposed to go beyond those white.
Yeah.
I'm helping you. Shrey, इसको आगे करने में. Hello.
ज्यादा दूर मत जाइयो श्रेय, जोश में नहीं आना है ज्यादा तुम्हें. Ready? दिव्या तुम इधर आ जाओ. You have to race.
3, 2, 1, go!
Go. Don't fall.
Don't fight.
पलट को जाना उनको देखो तो कितना
Yeah, I know. Don't fall. Yeah, it's so hazy. It's so hazy, like your head.
एकदम से एक दूसरे के बिल्कुल पास थे उस टाइम पे.
वो दो दिख गए ना. वो कहाँ आनंद is? Anand, where are you going? Give me a high five. मेरे को हाई फाई देना है with your paddle.
थोड़ा सा केचप मिक्स कर लो.
What are you guys doing?
We're making pizza.
Pizza? Wow. This is looking more like flatbread.
Yeah, because we have the square pan, so
Very nice.
shape it in.
What are you making, Riti?
He is preparing the toppings.
And chicken.
Oh, for the pizza again.
The toppings.
Oh, okay. What are you doing?
I'm seeing if they are following
wait.
health codes.
Health codes. Health code violations.
Yeah, वो न्यूज़पेपर कैसे?
जाओगे तुम कभी नगम बन के, कभी बन के आंसू, कभी नगम बन के, कभी बन के आंसू, तड़पता मुझे हर तरफ पाओगे तुम.
The holiday is coming to an end. We're going back home.
The summer is also ending
We're now planning for the next holiday
soon.
very soon.
So guys, hope you liked this video. That was our fun cottage experience. It was our first time experiencing a cottage life in Canada and even the lake life, so we had a lot of fun. We came back yesterday and we took the time to just rest and rejuvenate and sort of start off fresh for the week. That was all. That's one of the ways to end the summer and welcome fall. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and thank you so much and bye bye.